Hello everyone, so for today's video I'll be showing you my salad this morning. I have here lettuce, and then this one cherry tomatoes and onion, and then I also have here cucumber already sliced, and of course we need salt, pepper, olive oil, and a bit of sugar. So let us all mix this together. Okay, I will be putting this one. I will put the cucumber. Ayan. Next, this. Right. And then after that, salt here. Himalayan salt. Konti lang. And then, let's put this one. Then we'll have the olive oil. Alright. And then apple cider. Just 1 teaspoon of apple cider. Okay. And then just a bit of sugar. This. Alright. And then mix. Okay. Okay. Mix na natin ang ating